All right, welcome to this episode of Transformation Club. And today we have Arun, who has gone through the 2XP growth program and he's a part of the community. And he's also an entrepreneur.
Thank you.
And thank you so much, Arun, for being here and coming here to share your
It's my
experience.
pleasure.
So, just to get to know something about you, before you joined this 2XP growth and the community and the program, how was your life, and what was in terms of the output, or your habits or whatever, like how was your life?
Uh, Thank you for this opportunity. I would say that before joining the program, like how I discussed with you, I had the difficulties with procrastination and I had some difficulties when came to focusing on priorities and getting. Always had the habit of postponing things and doing the least important things first, and then keeping the most important thing to the end, and then ultimately ending up goofing up a bit because I didn't have time and all those stuff. So that is the reason why I thought this program would really help me out, and that's the reason why I joined.
Great. So, and how was your experience going through the 2 months of program? Not only the structure of the program, the assignments, and how was it being a part of the community meeting and sharing your experience with other people?
The assignments, particularly, I like. Few assignments, definitely yes. It was very engaging, and then a lot of introspection need to be done while doing the assignments. So ultimately, I realized a lot of weaknesses which I did not even think of, and what I thought was my skill sets, I realized that they were not really the primary ones, and then it was completely different. So that kind of a mentorship was definitely beneficial, and uh, what I've achieved, I would say that I have now become more task driven, and planning is definitely happening now. I used to I have learned to say no, because that was one of the key issues which I was kind of lacking in, but which I've now started implementing, where I had to say no. I have to say no. I've kind of stopped overcommitting myself to my customers. What I can, I'll tell them I can. What I cannot, I tell them I cannot. So, but definitely, yes, I do walk the extra step to ensure they are satisfied. But then it doesn't mean that I put myself in an awkward situation like before.
Correct.
So that has definitely changed, and even so many things have actually changed, which I thought did not have any kind of a reasoning, which I feel now has some kind of a meaning in the way I lead my life. Day to day, the way I spent my day to day life has
Yes.
also changed, definitely, yes.
Okay. And what was the best part of this coaching program? Like, what were the modules or sections that you really enjoyed going through, which made a difference in your life?
Uh, Instead of picking out on a few things, I would say that what really interested me was that I was able to do a few exercises with my wife also.
Yes, you told me about it.
That was, I think, yeah, very important, because normally what happens when you go through a program, it's only for yourself. But in this case, I was able to spend time with my few of the SMU, and then we realized our common points. We realized where we were kind of differing, and then that has definitely helped. I would say in not a measurable way, but then definitely it has helped in a very different manner.
A better
So
understanding.
yeah, very much. So we used to definitely complement each other even before, but then I think now the an element of self-respect and the you know the effort to take to understand the other person is now much more.
Yes.
So that is kind of reflecting on our children also.
Yes.
We were able to kind of tweak the questions in such a way that even my 12-year-old daughter was able to do the 2 or 3 assignments
Yes. So I think this
to
is
understand what she as a person is. So I
yes.
think definitely the assignments, if you're able to kind of do it with your spouse also, it would be really nice.
Yes, so this is something like these assignments is these are some skills which you cannot life skills not only learn for yourself, you can also teach this to your family. Right?
Exactly.
Not even
So
your kids also you can teach them.
definitely, that is something which I thought was very interesting and then very different from the other courses when you do.
Yes. So what are your three biggest takeaways from this course?
Three biggest takeaway is that I do postpone things, but then I don't postpone important things. So the critical ones, I would say, where it is going to give me the maximum benefit, I do it immediately. Where I feel the things which is not really very important, which can be done through the day, I do it at leisure. So in that way, I've been able to structure, which I was not doing before. The second thing is that I've started journaling, so that I mean, even if I do some mistakes during the day, at least the next day or the day after that, I'm able to correct it.
Yes.
Or if there is something that I've missed out on the previous day, I'm able to follow up and then do it the next day. So in that way, that is helping me out. I am not really able to follow on the to-do chart because in my kind of work, that to-do is not really working. But then what happens is I've become slightly more structured.
Yeah.
In the way I communicate, in the way I respond, in the way I handle things.
Okay.
And the third thing is that I've realized that being mentally fit is more critical than being physically fit. I'm not saying that physically fit is not important, but then being mentally fit is more important than the other. And when you're mentally fit, obviously you will start taking care of your physical aspect also.
Yes.
So I've started focusing more on the mental aspect of it, and that is, I would say, the 3 points.
Great. Great. Amazing. So what are your future steps now from here? Like what are you looking forward for?
I have retweaked my personal goal card.
Great.
It is the third time that I've actually tweaked the personal goal card from the time I started the program. So I've kept it slightly more aggressive than the first time, which I feel I would be definitely able to achieve in the next 1 year. I've given 1 year timing, and I've kept a 2 year chart, and I've kept a 5 year chart. I am almost there on my vision board.
Great.
And so in that way, I'm not now looking at I'm not allowing the negatives to down me now.
Yes.
So if there is too much of negativity, then what I do is I just step out from that place, or I step out from that situation. Maybe I revisit after a while.
Yes.
Or maybe I think it is not for me and I just leave it off. And I've realized that leaving it off sometimes means very valuable, because those things are never meant for me anyway.
Correct.
So, and I've started organizing myself quite a bit, in the sense the clutter is now removed.
Great. Amazing.
So that is the clutter that actually boils down a person, pulls down a person very much. But now the clutter is getting cleared off, and then I'm actually kind of much better, I would say.
And are people around you finding a difference in the way you're behaving, acting, you're doing your day-to-day course and stuff?
Definitely, yes. There is definitely a change in the way people are now, talking to me and the way they are approaching me. Even few of my customers or few of my advisors or my consultants, the way they are now approaching me has definitely changed.
Great.
And even one of them has told me, you are not the person whom I was talking to 2 months back. So definitely it has changed, because the main thing is I've started rephrasing all many of my situation.
Yes.
So it is like changing a negative scenario to a positive scenario, and then trying to work on that.
Correct. And even your negative thoughts, you're trying to reframe it into a positive, constructive thoughts.
Yes, yes.
Right. Yes.
So if I feel that I'm really down, I'm not doing good, then I immediately call my customers, and I ask them what is the feedback or whatever it is, or I go online, search for some new products or new ideas. So in that way, I'm able to refocus or realign my energy, so that within certain time I'm able to come back and then address the negative situation.
Yes.
So it has actually given me a it was actually a known way, which I was never doing. So it
Yes.
has actually brought me to the track.
Yeah, it's come to limelight.
Yes. So what I was taking for granted, now I started, giving attention to it. So
Correct.
that is a big bonus, I would say, from the course.
Great. So amazing. Thank you so much, Arun, for spending this few
It's
minutes
it's my
with me.
pleasure. It's my pleasure.
So yes, thank you for sharing, and I'm looking forward for more of these meetings. And yes, take care, and I'll see you all soon.
Definitely, definitely. Thank you very much.